Thank you for your purchase Voxroad Max. Open the original package. This is paper and wood. Light shield cover plate module. User manual. Tools and accessories. Safety glasses. Power supply. Laser head. Red Y access module. Light shield rear model. Light shield top cover rear plate module. Rear X-axis. Middle X-axis module. Left Y-axis module. Front X-axis module. Light shield right module. Light shield left module. Light shield front modular. Open the tool accessory box. The front axis of the machine faces straight ahead. Connect the left and right Y-axis modules to the front module in sequence. Remove the corresponding screw and connect the Y-axis left module to the front axle. Use the corresponding screws and hex wrenches to connect the front axis to the rear module of the Y-axis. Connect the left and right Y-axis modules to the rear X-axis module, respectively. The key bolts of the left and right door modules of the Y-axis should pass through the holes at both ends of the rear X-axis. Use the corresponding screws and hex wrenches to connect the left and right modules of the Y-axis to the rear X-axis. Use the corresponding screws and hex wrenches. Then press down the corresponding holes on both sides at both ends of the X-axis module. Take out the long screws. Screw into the corresponding hole position to connect the two ends of the middle X-axis to the left module of the Y-axis. The interfaces of each part of the machine should be connected according to their sizes. Connect the red model wire. After connection, you can push it forward and backward to check if it runs smoothly. Loosen the screws. Install the laser head module, and then tighten the screws smoothly. Insert the connection line between the Y-axis and the laser head, with the inner side of the groove facing forward. So the machine is installed. Thank you for watching.